Explore the transformative impact of AI on the gaming industry with Barthélémy Kiss, co-founder and CEO of Powder. From the early days of AI opponents in games like Pong to the current advancements in generative AI, the gaming industry has always been at the forefront of technological innovation. This video delves into how AI is revolutionizing game creation, distribution, and operation, leading to shorter development times and more ambitious games. Discover the rise of AI-first games, adaptive storytelling, and new human-machine interfaces that promise to change how we interact with games. AI's role in gaming is not just about enhancing player experience but also about creating a healthier and more successful gaming industry. Join us in exploring how AI is shaping the future of gaming. From the simple beginnings of Pong to the vast possibilities of AI-driven gaming experiences, Barthélémy Kiss, CEO of Powder, delves into the transformative role of AI in the gaming industry. From the early days of AI in games like Pong to the current era of generative AI, the gaming sector has consistently been at the forefront of adopting new technologies. AI advancements have led to significant improvements in game creation, distribution, and operation, reducing development times and enabling more ambitious projects. The rise of AI-first games and new human-machine interfaces is on the horizon, promising adaptive storytelling and innovative interaction methods. AI's rapid progress is shaping a dynamic future for gaming, offering expansive, high-quality games and new ways to experience this evolving media. Artificial intelligence AI has been a game-changer in the gaming industry, shaping its evolution since the early days. From the classic Pong to the latest generative AI technologies, AI has continually enhanced gaming experiences. Barthélémy Kiss, CEO of Powder, explores the profound impact of AI on gaming. He discusses how AI has revolutionized game creation, distribution, and operation, leading to shorter development times and more ambitious games. The introduction of AI-first games and new human-machine interfaces marks a significant shift, offering personalized storytelling and interactive NPCs. AI is not just about improving existing games, but also about creating new types of games and interaction methods. The future of gaming, influenced by AI, promises more expansive, higher-quality games, AI-first experiences, and innovative ways to interact with games. This revolution in gaming, driven by AI, is just the beginning of a new era in the industry. Barthélémy Kiss, CEO of Powder, delves into the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on the gaming industry. From the early adoption of AI in classic games like Pong to the latest developments in generative AI, the gaming world has consistently been at the forefront of technological innovation. This video explores how AI is reshaping game creation, distribution, and operation, leading to shorter development times and more ambitious projects. It also examines the rise of AI-first games and the evolution of human-machine interfaces, promising new ways of interaction and game experience. With AI's rapid progress, the gaming industry is poised for a future of expansive, high-quality games, AI-driven storytelling, and groundbreaking modes of player engagement. This is just the beginning of a new era in gaming, where AI's role is becoming increasingly central and influential. Barthélémy Kiss, co-founder and CEO of Powder, provides a comprehensive analysis of how artificial intelligence AI is revolutionizing the gaming industry. From the early days of AI in games like Pong to the current era of generative AI, the gaming industry has consistently been at the forefront of adopting new technologies. AI's impact is evident in various aspects of gaming, including game creation, distribution, and operation. Recent advancements in AI, such as natural language processing (NLP) and generative models, have enhanced AI's capabilities, allowing for more sophisticated and interactive gaming experiences. These developments have led to the automation of game production processes, including visual elements, audio, and even coding, significantly speeding up development times. Moreover, AI is playing a crucial role in the distribution of games, aiding in marketing and discovery through tools like Powder, which utilizes AI to generate clips from streams. In terms of game operation, AI supports live operations by maintaining game balance and ensuring safe gaming environments. Looking ahead, the gaming industry is poised to witness the rise of AI-first games, where games adapt to the player's preferences and actions. This will be achieved through adaptive storytelling and intelligent NPCs that can hold actual conversations and react authentically to players' actions. Additionally, new human-machine interfaces are emerging, transforming how players interact with games, including voice and thought-controlled gaming. As AI continues to evolve, the gaming industry is set to experience more expansive, higher-quality games that ship faster. In the medium term, AI-first games and new interaction methods will redefine the gaming experience, contributing to a healthier and more successful gaming industry. The journey from Pong to AI-driven gaming is just the beginning, with much more to come in the future. The gaming industry is undergoing a significant transformation, driven by the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence AI. Barthélémy Kiss, co-founder and CEO of Powder, sheds light on the profound impact AI has had on gaming, from its early integration to the present era of generative AI. This video explores the various ways AI is revolutionizing gaming, including its influence on game development, player experiences, and the creation of AI-first games. We delve into how AI is enabling faster, more efficient game production, enhancing game distribution, and supporting live operations. Additionally, we look at the potential for new types of AI-driven games and innovative human-machine interfaces, transforming how players interact with games. From adaptive storytelling to NPCs with authentic reactions, AI is set to redefine gaming as we know it. Join us as we explore the exciting journey of AI in gaming and its promising future, marking a new chapter in the evolution of this dynamic industry. The AI revolution in gaming. A deeper dive into Barthélémy Kiss's insights. The gaming industry is undergoing a transformative revolution, largely driven by the advancements in artificial intelligence AI. Barthélémy Kiss, co-founder and CEO of Powder, provides a comprehensive analysis of how AI is reshaping the gaming landscape. This video delves deeper into the role of AI in gaming, exploring its impact from the early days to the present era of generative AI. We explore how AI has been an integral part of gaming since its inception, evolving from simple AI opponents in games like Pong to the complex, generative AI models of today. The video highlights how AI is not just enhancing the gaming experience, but also revolutionizing game development processes, from automating mundane tasks to creating more immersive and interactive gaming environments. AI is enabling developers to push the boundaries of creativity and innovation. The discussion also covers the emergence of AI-first games, where AI plays a central role in game mechanics and storytelling. These games adapt to players' actions and preferences, offering a personalized gaming experience. Additionally, we look at the future of human-machine interfaces in gaming, where voice commands and even neural interfaces like Neuralink's Monkey Mind Pawn are becoming viable control options. Barthélémy Kiss's insights provide a glimpse into a future where AI not only enhances the gaming experience but also redefines the very nature of games. As we venture further into this AI-driven era, the possibilities for innovation and creativity in gaming seem limitless. Join us in this video as we explore the exciting and ever-evolving world of AI in gaming.